this wonderful World Cup run by the Reggae Girlz, it is almost guaranteed that the toxic rhetoric between the girls and the JFF will intensify. In fact, it started already. Listen to this, for example, from Captain Bunny Shaw talking about how the girls got to the World Cup.
It's been a long journey, man. It's been an incredible journey. Gave up on us. We had to do GoFund to get money to be here where we are. We have to sacrifice so much to be here. So to be here now and moving on is just an incredible feeling, man.
And this is the narrative that's been all over the international media. But absolutely nothing goes so. These girls never had to beg no money to go anywhere. And all this thing about people never believed in them is nonsense. We know the JFF them a drop word pan. The same JFF that spent over $300 million on the World Cup campaign. I mean, the girls are doing well at the World Cup and they make the country proud. And the JFF administration is not the best in the world. But girls, please, me I beg you, no give me the bucket of milk and then kick it over. Make we enjoy the moment, please. Make we enjoy the success. Make we enjoy the moment, please. Thank you.